Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Monroe Road Elementary School, home of the Kicking Mules, part of the Bedford Public School District. And today's focus was for all the grades again, Y5 all the way through 5th. But we had two separate assemblies, and it was on diversity, our differences, both outer and inner, and the need to respect and appreciate everyone for who they are, both on the outside and the inside. But also what it says on my shirt. Need human kindness, and on the screen behind me. And the whole premise here is that, the peace sign inside the heart, my friend and I designed this a couple years back, but, peace has to begin in our heart, right? And there's also two people inside this heart, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we have to show it to others as well. And it's so important that we do that, because sometimes we can touch someone's heart by what we say, what we do, not just a person or persons that we're directing the kindness towards, but anyone who's in earshot or eyesight of that act of kindness, right? Or hears those kind phrases, it might change their heart in a positive way as well. And we really try to focus on that today and hammer that central message home of unconditional love as well, love without any conditions, through a series of inspirational videos, some hand motion raps, some regular raps, hip hop, of course, some physical props talking about the story of a teacher, that was trying to show his students, what it means to show kindness, and, how could they have shown more kindness? And they really inspired him by saying, hey, we're going to show one act of kindness to someone that we don't really know every day now for the rest of this school year and beyond. So by the end of that school year, everybody had shown everyone at that school an act of kindness, whether they were in the same grade, older, younger, different teacher, volunteer, staff member, etc. And if we all did that, right, collectively, whether it's a couple hundred students, 1,000 students, just think about how much better this world would be, right, if we just keep trying to lift up others instead of tear them down. And of course, it has to start in our heart, and have that, again, deeper sense of appreciation for our differences, but also really seeing people for this too, right? I bring this up in all my talks, but it's so important, and a lot of the students came up to me after and said they remembered this as well, but we all have the lines on our hands, letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it, right? We have at least one on each hand. That M stands for Monroe Road. No, I'm kidding. It stands for mules. No, I'm kidding again. No, it stands for miracle, right? Upside down, W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And it breaks my heart, a couple of students even today said, Mr. Peace, I don't think that I'm beautiful. I don't really appreciate my diversity when I look in the mirror. I don't like the reflection. But, deep down, they have to know, you have to know that we're all beautiful, right? We're all unique. That's what makes this school awesome. That's why diversity is so important, because if we're all the same, it'd be very boring, right? But our true friends will see us for this. And yes, there's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter, right? We don't have to use that extra energy to be someone we're not. Everyone else is already taken, so just be yourself. Right? And I think the kids really took that to heart today, and even the staff members too that said that it touched their hearts. So thanks for shining your light. Thanks for leaving a lasting impression on my heart as well. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.